In the last video, we have seen a basic COCOMO based system, right? And we stopped at a question which was posted to you regarding what is the value of the cost and the effort and the development time and number of persons as well. Hope you have seen this video. Some of you might have reverted as have answered as well. I'm waiting for more answers on this. Now in this video we are going to learn about what is intermediate COCOMO model. The basic COCOMO model assumes the effort and development time as a function of the lines of code or the size. But actually this is not true. It is not only dependent upon the size, it might be dependent on multiple other factors. Like we have seen when we talk about function points, we have seen that function point actually assume that it is mostly dependent on the inputs, output, inquiries, ELF and ILF. But there are 14 more points with which the function point might be dependent or they may affect the estimation. Likewise, size is not only the factor that affects the estimation. There are certain more points that should be taken in consideration while while estimating a project. So what are those points? Like those points are known as cost drivers, and they are 15 in numbers. Likewise, we have the four categories. The first is product attributes, like required software reliability, size of the application databases, complexity of the product, right? Real runtime, and then second is computer attributes like runtime, memory, virtual machine, turnaround time. They are computer attributes. The other is called personal attributes, the attributes that are related to the persons, the personals that actually work in the team, like analyst, programmer, application experience, virtual machine experience, programming language experience. And the last is the project attributes, like modern programming practices, use of software tools, requirement development schedules. So these are 15 points that do affect the particular uh, estimation, and they are called as cost drivers. So how we will try to analyze, modify the effort that we have. So if we say that we will rate each of the 15 attributes on a scale of 6 scale, rating from very low to extra high, and these values are fixed. Okay, these values that we show here, right? We show certain values here, that suppose we are going for product complexity, and we say that it is zero point 0.7, right? And then we say it is 1. This is nominal value 1, and this is extra high is for 1.65 for this. So what we have, these values you cannot remember. These values should be provided by the system in the question itself. Okay, so but they have 6 categories, from very low to nominal to high to very high to extra high. So if it is mentioned a nominal value, the all value should be 1. This is by show. If we say that all the cost drivers are nominal, that means the value is 1. Okay, so otherwise the examiner or the questioner has to provide you with the actual values. So what you do, like in the complexity adjustment values in FP, what we do, we rate it from 0 to 5 and we sum up, right? We will not sum this up. To calculate the effort adjustment factors, what we do multiplication. The effort values are multiplied. So if I say that, suppose this is 0.75, right? And this is suppose 1, this is 0.85. Likewise, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1.46, and this again is 1, 1, and this is again 1.1, this is 1.07, this is 0.82, okay, and this is 0.83, this is again 1. So whatever values I have given here, what I will do, I will multiply all these 14 values. I will multiply them and get a value, right? That value is known as effort adjustment factors. So you have to multiply all those multipliers and find the EAF. So when you have an EAF, that means this effort adjustment factor is going to modify the effort of the estimated value of the basic COCOMO. So we have to multiply the EAF with a particular value. What value? With the effort value. So you know this thing. This is A1 and this is A2. This is A2 and this is A1, right? And this is B1 and this is B2, right? This is duration time. What you are doing, only simple thing is you are modifying the effort now. You are modifying this effort based on the effort adjustment factors that depends upon the 15 cost drivers. Okay. So if I say the effort adjustment factors comes out to be 1.17, right? This is the value of the effort adjustment factors, 1.17. So the next time what you are going to do, you will multiply whatever value of E you will have, you multiply that E with the value called 1.17 to calculate the new effort that is called E dash, and then you will use that E dash into the duration time. So this is how the basic COCOMO and the intermediate COCOMO estimates the effort and duration time. Once you know these two values, you can find the number of people involved by E upon D, right? You can also calculate the productivity by KLOC upon E. You can also find many other parameters, right? So at least five: effort, duration, uh, number of people, productivity, and the cost. So if I have a duration, I know what is the how many month I pay, how many amount I pay per month. I have multiplied this with duration. I will get the cost of that product. So that is all about planning. So with this, we complete the software planning part also with basic definition of software sizings. Then we have seen about the LOCs, then we see LOC based estimation, then we see what is function points, then we study about function point based estimation, then we have seen empirical based estimation, in which we have seen two different type of estimation, with the basic COCOMO and the intermediate COCOMO. With this, we completely finish off with the planning, and in the next videos we are going to learn about the software designing and software quality, and then we will finally end up the course with software testing and advanced topics of software engineering. So thank you very much, and I look forward for the answers of the questions, and as well as I also look forward for various type of various type of what you can say various type of queries from you as a student. Thank you.